This is a great A4 size accordion file organizer made of sustainable and durable wheat straw, not plastic. I was sent this to review from Ecostash, so let me show you a closer look. It has a huge capacity. Like, look at that. 12 pockets in here. They are closed on the sides. They are accordion. But it doesn't just expand this way. Watch this. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. You can expand it the whole way and then it will sit open like that, so you can just file your papers away so easily. You can leave it open because remember that locks open. Then you can just collapse it and bring it around and lock it tight for storage. This thing's amazing. I love the colors in here, like pastels and nice, not super bold and bright, just really nice. They've done the tabs in 2 sections, so that's how they can fit so many in there, but they're gonna be really easy to find what you need. In the back, you've got a little note showing you that it's made of wheat straw. And then you've got your labels again with the beautiful colors. It's gonna be so easy to just customize, peel off, stick on, remove as needed. They've already got the months pre-printed in case you wanna use those, super easy. And then you can just write whatever you want for the rest. Here is the little stretchy connector to close it. Boom. Really nice and secure that way. And right here on the back is also really cool. I've never seen this on a accordion folder, but watch this. When you flip it open, the button here is gonna go in back here to hold it open. Super easy. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. So then you don't have to worry about it flipping over and getting in your way. It just stays open. And then when you're ready to use it again, you just pull it down and it comes out. That's a game changer in folders for me. This is the blue variation. It does come in a ton of colors, so you get a few different colors for different needs or just whichever ones bring you joy. These are amazing for organizing your home files, like your documents for taxes, bank, health insurance, utilities, internet, you name it. There's a spot for everything. Or you can do something like having one for each of your kids. That really helps parents with multiple kids stay organized, so you could have one per kid and then a pocket for each subject and each sport and one for birthday party invites and just all kinds of things you can put in here and stay organized, like when they bring home art that doesn't really get up on the wall, but you don't want to lose it or anything, just put it in here in the art pocket. It feels like plastic, but it's going to be more durable and sustainable, more eco-friendly than plastic. So I love that too. I absolutely love this folder and I know you will too.